Just 8 miles from the runway, when the captain lowered the landing gear, he was up the straight. The right main landing gear and the nose
Toss your
extended
dirty
across the
shoes in